Hello everyone, we're the Calculads. I am Eric, Mason's behind the camera, and Mohammed's to the side, and today we'll be talking about the product rule. So the formal definition of the product rule is that it's a formula used to find the derivatives of products of two or more functions. So how that will be applied is that through the formula of the derivative of u times v and the apostrophe representing prime, which is the derivative, u v prime plus vu prime will give us the derivative of those two variables multiplied. And u and v are both different functions. So first, we'll start off with our examples, which for number one, we have a simple one. So f of x equals 3x to the fourth times cosine of x. So representing the blue underline as u and the green as v, we can see that taking the u times the v prime for the first half, u goes directly down. So 3x to the fourth, we just place it right here. And then v primed, which is the green derivative. So we all know that from the last video that the derivative of cosine of x is equal to negative sine of x. So that will be the first half of this formula. So next up, we have vu prime. So v is the second term here. So we'll bring that directly down here. And using u prime, which is the blue one, 3x to the fourth derivative, we can find that 3 times 4 equals 12, so we put that here, and then 4 minus 1 equals 3. So it becomes 12x to the third. And this is our final answer for using the product rule. And for number two, we're finding using the product rule on 5 natural log of x times sine of x. And as you can see from our answer, after we work it through, that instead of using uv prime times vu prime, or plus, we flip the two, which shows that it's applicable in both ways. And you need to realize that given a problem, it can be shown in both ways. So first of all, we need to find the derivative of that if we're doing it backwards. So the derivative from the last video, we know that the derivative of natural log equals 1 over x. So 5 of those would be 5 over x. And then we bring down the v. And since we're doing this half next, we know to bring down the u, which is the blue term, so directly right here. And from our trig rules, we know that the derivative of the green one, sine of x, equals cosine of x, which gives our final answer. That's all, and make sure to subscribe.